How to fix Facebook session expired problem solved. If any day you face a problem like this and you would like to solve it, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search Facebook out there. After you search Facebook out there, you have to tap on Facebook and then go to the option of app information. After you tap on app information, you have to go to notification and enable allow notification and allow sound and vibration. After that, you can go back again and then go to the option of permissions. After tapping in permission, you have to allow the permission to calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notification, phone and photos and videos. Now you can go back again, and after that you can go to the option of storage. If you see any cache out there, you have to go to the option of clear the cache, and now you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search Play Store there and tap on Play Store. After you tap on Play Store, you have to go to the search like icon there, and then in the search like icon you have to search Facebook, and after you find Facebook you have to tap on it. If you find the option of update there, you have to update your very application, and after you update it you can go to the option of open and you can see that your problem is solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.